Hotmail Login. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into Hotmail, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to log into Hotmail and Outlook is pretty much the same because they are the email addresses provided from Microsoft. So your Hotmail and Outlook are the same addresses that comes under Microsoft, and we don't have a separate Hotmail app, but you do have Microsoft Outlook app for which you can use and try to log in the normal Hotmail account. Or if you don't want to log in from the app, you can use the same Hotmail account on the Gmail app if you like. Or here you can see many sort of account which you can see continue Outlook, which is outlook.live.com. You can go to outlook.live.com and also log into your Hotmail account, because your Hotmail is basically just your Outlook account only that comes under Microsoft. So when you're on the page, you should be able to see a list of other details where you can just go to the login screen here. So once you log in, you'll be successfully logged into your Hotmail or your Outlook account. This way you should be able to log into Hotmail or Outlook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.